Hi, and welcome to Blue's Garden Tips. Zucchini, squash, cukes, and eggplant and more. I start out by filling all my trays with my seed starter. I make some holes in. This first one I'm planting is Black Beauty Zucchini. I'm going to put one seed in each. It's a rather large seed, and these are fresh seeds. So one seed in each hole, and then I remember to always label everything. A little bit on top to seal them up, and they are good to go. I'm going to plant some eggplant, fairly decent size, not big seeds, so I might put 2 in each. That way there I'm ensured that something germinates. Again, I fill them up, I tap it, and of course label. Next up is cucumber. Boston Pickling. I did 12 of those. I am doing some straight 8, and again 2 in each, so 12 of those. Space 80 cucumbers, again something I did before, 12 of those. On they go to the heat mats. Once they germinate, the heat mat comes off, the lights are still on. Then I'm going to start potting them up. This is probably about 4 weeks or so from when I sowed the seeds. My tried and true method, a bigger pot, take a screwdriver, use the base, and make big holes for it. And I carefully pry out the little seedling and tuck it into the hole, pat it down so there's no air in there. Try to be gentle with the roots. And maybe a little touch of some potting soil if it needs it, but if not, again, seedling into the hole, make sure the roots are okay, make sure everything gets labeled so I know which one's which. Like I said, a little sowing soil, potting soil, and top it off. So some spaghetti squash, some zucchini, a couple of butternut, Waltham butternut squash. Carefully tuck the roots in and get the air out. Water them all in nice so that they are well hydrated. Back under the grow lights. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden Tips. Thank you very much.